out of the camera.
Good boy!
Nice. Nice.
Now I'm going to do my favorite obstacle. Where are you?
Good. Come around again. Try that again. You did a lovely jump right, and then you just didn't support the halfway point of it. Well, don't do that. Don't do that. Falling down, not allowed. And that was it too. You just, the halfway point is farther back than where you were. After you got that right turn, you wanted to put it jump right? Jump. There you go. There we go. Good.